Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing bottom of the boat challenge in our boat.
So what that is like we take all the soft plastics or hooks and we, from the bottom of the boat, it can't be like wrapped up or it can't be a crankbait, and we just fish with it. The first one to catch a fish wins. Something like that.
I gotta do this challenge thing. We gotta find some lures in the bottom of the boat. Can you get more than one?
Yeah.
There's a frog. I'm using a frog. My first lure. Get a hook. Always need a hook. And what's this right here? Another frog. I don't want another frog. I think I'll take this frog instead of that one. Alright, that one too. Oh, bet. What is this? Score. And this. And swim bait.
That's it. Only 3.
Huh? No, I switched.
Okay.
Only 3? Only 3?
I mean, you can't tell. I have to get mine still.
Okay. Only 3. Wait, let me get some hooks. Where are the hooks at?
You took them out, remember?
Yeah,
You said it was
I
tetanus.
threw them in the water. Frick. There's tetanus galore in here, so I had to throw all the hooks out. Now I gotta find them. Oh, I found one! Oh, God!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My turn. I'm definitely gonna get that swim bait. Get that.
There's a worm right there by those glasses.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Oh, I got the jerkbait thing. I saw that. I didn't know if I
I'm
wanted.
gonna be stuck for it.
You need some hooks?
I need a hook and a bullet weight.
Wait, how long was mine? I had like
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Check in the battery box or something. Oh God! Jeez. There's a little spoon. There's a weight over there on that side.
Where?
On the other side.
What other side?
That side.
This side? What?
Huh?
Where?
Over there.
That's
Whoa.
a sunflower seed.
You have 30 seconds anyway.
What the heck? That's a sunflower seed.
There was 2 where I picked up my weight.
Where is it?
I don't know. You have 20 seconds. Better find a hook. Will you be fishing with no hook? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No weight cam.
Okay, so I'm gonna choose. Oh no! Did you see it? No! No!
There's no way you catch one. Can you see the boogie out there?
Mm-mm.
You don't see him? Let me see you real quick. I wasn't gonna mess with it, I was just gonna show it to the camera. Gosh. I'm gonna drop your phone. What's up? You don't have one. Gee whiz. I'm telling you, go over there.
Only hook I can find.
There's one right by your feet the whole time. Just didn't look. You took too long trying to find the lures. We're staying on this.
Guys, keep video of me fishing, don't talk. Just try to be still.
Okay. What's still recording? It's been recording for about 1:25.
Don't talk.
Sorry! That looks really good in the water.
Yeah, that's good. You can start fishing again. So, got a problem. I got caught on the log and the line broke. So what I do now is wait and see if Joe Mark catches a fish. So it's been about an hour and a half since we last checked in. I think we're gonna end it though because we're not getting anything. Joe Mark only got 2 bites.
Had a lot of rain just move in. Dirty water.
Yeah, so we're gonna end it here.